Hello, my name is Vikendas and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. Wow, it's been a while now. So, doing the magic. So I've been stuck with other projects work and being a little bit lazy. Hey, we're back in game. Back in game. This bits is for my other boat. Just keep it safe. Oh look, all good. All good in the boat. Like that. So let's see what's the magic inside. Now it's November, been raining and damp a lot. Right. We have one, I think it's a leak there. It keeps going down with the cup to catch some water. Otherwise, it's good and dry. We could live in it. Easy. So today's aim is send some sanding in here, go some further. Ferret, and yeah, let's get back into it. Been a couple, maybe a month or so, doing other stuff related to life, but it was always on the back of mind, the project, and my goal, hopefully, next summer, midsummer maybe, go in. I know it looks nowhere ready, but once this ready, this area, we can, that's I think the biggest job, and we can do other bits later on, like cooking area, navigation station. The goal is today just sand it off with the mighty grinder. Well, seems like so. Everything's just need to see now. Tidy up. So next step. Slow and steady. A little acetone. We're going to put some second fill. Second fill on a little bit, ferret and paint it. It is that. Right, what we're gonna do, get the filler, just get some epoxy mix of silica. It's pinkish color because there's a little bit of rust in the thing, but just the color. Do like this. It's not as bad as it looked like, I think. Yeah. Right, we got filled. So next step is gonna be sand it and put some gel coat on. And yeah, happening. Obviously this is the middle section does not really matter because it's gonna cut to the existing the holes there with the lids. So yeah, exciting, happening, one step closer, slowly and steady. Stop leaking, got little tap, go over, and hopefully all good. thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, enjoy. This takes a little bit of time, but this Bulkheads takes forever, and hopefully now, bang bang bang, step forwards in the winter and we're gonna smash it. Yeah, just a little update for you. Thank you very much. See you next time.